How to fix jumper's knee in 60 seconds. Jumper's knee or patellar tendinopathy is an overuse issue, like from doing too many barbell squats, and it's very common with athletes that are in sports that involve a lot of jumping. It's pain typically felt below the kneecap where the patellar tendon is located. There's a number of ways to fix it, and the first thing I'd recommend are isometrics. Isometric exercises are movements where there's a static contraction of the muscle, but there's no movement. So an example is like a plank or a wall sit. For knee pain, wall sits, alternating wall sits, and Spanish squats, which you can see right here, are fantastic options. Go for 3 sets of 45 seconds. Your quads will burn by the end of this, I guarantee you. From here, we'll move into negatives or eccentrics. Eccentrics are a movement when the muscle fibers are lengthened under load. So an example would be when you do a squat. When you squat down, that is the eccentric. When you squat up, that's concentric. It's typically the negative or the second portion of a lift, but it can vary depending on what you're doing. Another great example for knee pain is the quad extension machine. You could use 2 legs to bring the weight up, then remove 1 leg and slowly bring it down using just a single leg. Here's another great example of eccentric training. So the weight is heavy that I'm not able to do 1 leg stand-ups. So I use 2 legs to bring myself up, and then I just focus on a slow and controlled movement on the way down. And that's it, guys. Eccentric and isometrics, that's the key. Stay consistent, stay hard. Good luck.